Not guilty, businessman Patrick Powell walks free as 5-day trial into the killing of a 17-year-old Kajil Mays comes to an end. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, reactions to the not guilty verdict by the defendant, his attorney and the DPP.
Jake's Road gas explosion claims a third life.
Police outlines plan to deal with students at the Halfway Tree Transport Centre.
JLP councillors told to get ready for local government election.
And in the business day, Naranda Bauxite Company sold.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary, and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think the X6 trial showed up any deficiencies in our justice system? And if so, what?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.